Hi, this is Bill for SparkyChannel.com. Today I'm going to show you how to install a Bemis Easy Clean and Change toilet seat. This is the kind of toilet seat that removes for easy cleaning, and then you just pop it back on, and later on you clean it again, you pop it back off. So it's an easy clean and change toilet seat. The first step will be to remove the old toilet seat. So you pop up this latch right here and it reveals a bolt that you can put a screwdriver in and unfasten. So unscrew these plastic bolts, then remove the plastic nut. Like that. With the plastic nuts and bolts unfastened, you can just take the whole toilet seat off. Here's the new Easy Clean toilet seat. First thing you do is you flip up the hinges like this, then you turn it over. It comes with 4 parts. There's 2 plastic bolts and 2 plastic nuts. Now you insert the bolts, and you see this is the part you see when you're standing up. It's got to go down like that with the hinge caps open. You push the bolts in like that. See? There. So I've installed both the bolts. Now you flip it over and put the hinge caps down. Click them down like that. So now it looks like this. So you got the 2 plastic bolts sticking out like that. Hinge caps are down. And you take it and you put it in the toilet like that. Now from the underneath you install these 2 plastic nuts. This is a 5/8, so you need a 5/8 ratchet or a 5/8 wrench, and it fits right on there. And see, it's going to break off right here when it's tightened enough. So you got to do this from the underneath and you tighten them up. So here's the plastic nut. You put it on the plastic bolt and just tighten it on. Here we are on the other side. You tighten this on. Now you double check, make sure your toilet seat's nice and straight. Put your ratchet on and tighten it down. Okay, it broke off. You see this piece broke off of the bolt. I'm going to tighten this one down. There, it broke off again. See, this piece broke right off. So we're tightened just the perfect amount. And congratulations, you have a brand new shiny white toilet seat. Now I'll demonstrate the easy off, easy on feature. Raise up the hinges like this and just raise up the toilet seat like that. It comes right off, and you can clean all around here. You can clean underneath the toilet seat and so forth. To put it back on, you put it over, you put the toilet seat over the bolts like this and just press down. Goes right on, simple, and then you press down the hinges. There, you're good to go. Toilet seats come in 2 sizes, round and elongated. This particular toilet seat is elongated and is about 17.5 inches long. Round toilet seats are a little shorter. I'll put links in my video description for the Bemis molded wood toilet seat with Easy Clean and Change hinges, both in round and elongated sizes. On the day I'm making this video, the round size is only $16 and is Amazon's best-selling toilet seat. I'll put links for the Bemis Easy Clean and Change toilet seats with the Whisper Close feature as well. Also, I'll put links for the Kohler quick release toilet seats in both round and elongated sizes, and for the Kohler quick release toilet seats with quiet close. Also, just for fun, I'll put a link for a toilet seat made by Kohler that is self-cleaning, provides a heated seat, and has a built-in LED light. Thanks! I hope this video was helpful.